In today's world, technology plays a key role in military, surveillance, and even peaceful advancements. Among these, drones are one of the most important tools that have revolutionized aerial operations. Today, we want to introduce you to one of the most advanced drones in the world, the MQ-9B SkyGuardian. This drone, developed by General Atomics in the United States, is recognized as one of the most powerful unmanned systems globally. Let's explore its features and how it can be used in various operations. The MQ-9B SkyGuardian is a fixed-wing drone designed for long-duration missions. It can fly continuously for up to 40 hours at an altitude of 25,000 feet and has an operational range of 1,200 nautical miles. Its body is constructed from advanced materials that are lightweight yet highly durable. Maximum takeoff weight 12,500 pounds. Payload capacity 4,750 pounds. Hard points. The drone includes 9 hard points for attaching various radar, sensors, and weapons. Powered by a Honeywell PPE 331-10 turboprop engine, the MQ-9B can reach a maximum speed of approximately 260 knots. However, its cruising speed typically ranges between 150 and 170 knots. The MQ-9B also boasts unique capabilities. For example, it is designed for beyond line of sight operation via satellite communications, enabling remote control from anywhere in the world. Its open architecture allows easy integration of advanced sovereign payloads tailored to mission requirements. The drone's reliability is well proven with over 8 million flight hours across its family of systems. Equipped with advanced sensors like Lynx multimode radar and high-definition electro-optical infrared, the MQ-9B excels in intelligence gathering and target tracking. Additionally, it supports maritime operation with specialized kits such as the SeaGuardian variant. Another unique feature of this drone is the automated system. The MQ-9B can autonomously land on the runways and perform reliably even under harsh weather conditions. As a new generation of the Reaper family, the MQ-9B has significant differences from previous versions. The most notable difference is its anti-icing system, which allows it to operate in cold and humid weather conditions. Furthermore, this drone is equipped with advanced systems to reduce the risk of collisions with birds and airborne objects, making it one of the safest drones available. The MQ-9B also holds international certifications for flying in civilian airspace, making it suitable for non-military applications. It complies with NATO Standard 4671 standards for airspace integration among NATO member countries. The MQ-9B can be utilized in both military and civilian missions. Military applications carry various weapons such as air-to-surface missiles and precision guided bombs, making it a powerful tool for attacking ground targets. Long-range intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance, airborne early warning, electronic warfare, anti-surface warfare. Civilian applications. The MQ-9B is not limited to military missions. It can also be used for disaster relief operations, providing precise imagery during crises such as floods or earthquakes to assist rescue teams, border surveillance, and environmental monitoring. Maritime operations. The SeaGuardian variants specialize in maritime missions such as anti-submarine warfare, airborne mine countermeasure, and ship tracking using automatic identification systems. Several countries, including the United States, United Kingdom, and Australia, have adopted the MQ-9B. Poland has also expressed interest in utilizing this drone starting in 2025. Due to its impressive capabilities, many nations are considering acquiring this technology. The future of the MQ-9B looks promising. With advancement in technology, this drone is expected to become even smarter and more capable. For instance, artificial intelligence could be integrated for better decision-making and increased operational precision. The MQ-9B SkyGuardian exemplifies the fusion of technology with modern needs. This drone plays a significant role not only in military operations but also in civilian domains. With anticipated advancements in the future, the MQ-9B will undoubtedly remain one of the leading drones worldwide. We hope this video was informative and engaging for you. If you have any question or specific topics you'd like us to cover next time, feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Until our next video, goodbye.